Hi, I'm Ben, and I do product development at ZOA. Wildfire smoke is really harmful for your health, especially for those of us with asthma, COPD, or younger children and the elderly. The COVID-19 epidemic is making things even worse because both COVID and wildfire smoke weaken our respiratory and circulatory systems. Improving your air quality inside your home is essential for reducing your health risks. So let's go through a few tips on how you can improve your home's IAQ in this weird world we're in today. When there's dense smoke outside, keep all of your windows and doors closed. I know that here on the West Coast, we love our fresh air, but that smoke can find its way into your home through any available crack, unless your home is positively or neutrally pressurized. And wildfire smoke can linger longer indoors than outdoors, especially if your home doesn't have adequate filtration. If you have a central air system, you can swap out your old filter for a new one that has a higher MERV rating. You can check out our other video for instructions on how to do that. If your thermostat has the proper wiring, you can configure your central blower fan to be always on. This allows the air in your home to be filtered 24/7, regardless of heating or cooling cycles. If your thermostat doesn't allow for this, you can just talk to your HVAC professional to see if they can get that set up for you. If you have an air purifier, you're going to want to run it on its highest setting pretty much 24/7. If you can't find any of these purifiers in stores, then you can check out our other video on how to make your own with just 3 simple parts. You should also avoid running your bath fan, your kitchen fan, or your clothes dryer during forest fires. When these exhaust fans push air out of your home, polluted air from outside can be pulled into your home through any of the cracks and crevices in your building envelope. And of course, every home is different. This home is really leaky. Even though that I've performed all of the steps that I've outlined in this video, I am still getting smoke infiltration in many different areas. I know this because I have about a dozen particle sensors scattered throughout my entire home, where I can see the smoke levels rising at the relative rate that they do outside. The Haven Central Air Monitor is your perfect companion for monitoring your home's indoor air quality. It's constantly sampling the particles and the chemicals throughout your entire home through your central air system. Haven also allows you to share your data with your trusted HVAC contractor to identify more permanent and effective solutions to solve your home's indoor air quality problems. And if you have to go outside during a forest fire event, please wear a mask. These surgical masks are not rated to protect you from forest fire smoke. Instead, you need a mask that's rated at least N95, which means that 95% of the harmful particles will be filtered out as long as you wear them properly. These types of masks, though they're rated N95, are not recommended right now. They have these one-way vents in them that allow you to breathe more comfortably, except during COVID, it might allow virus-laden particles and aerosols to escape the mask without being filtered into the air around you. So check out haveniaq.com for more information. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.